Let's try it next. Open the software on the computer first. You can see the one in the upper left corner. All three sensors are green. The equipment is operating normally. You can choose this in the flowmeter. Location select the flowmeter you are using. We are usually small. Flow meter 1000 毫升 per minute. That's 1 liter per minute. Large flow meter 300 liters per minute. I choose here. This 300 liters per minute. Click to start testing before the test starts. Then we manually control it. The output pressure is enough. Positive pressure test switch is slightly turned on. At the same time, observe the pressure value. When the pressure value, it cannot rise any higher, or you hear the valve has obvious, when leaking or jumping sounds. The valve is already open. You can hear the valve jumping. We will slightly turn the switch back a little bit. Close until the valve will be open. That's the stress level. About 1200 focus. Click record. Tap again every minute. Record the next data. After recording 3 times, we are going to take the valve off. Rotate 90 degrees. Record another 90 degrees. 3 values of their action. Rotate another 90 degrees. Then record the value in the 180 degree direction. This is according to the protocol. Let's confirm again now. When the direction of the airflow is positive pressure, the air source is connected to the sensor inlet. What about this sensor outlet? To the valve disc. Let's test it now. Leakage at positive pressure. Limit the pressure to 85% of the opening pressure. This is also allowed. There is an error value up and down. After the pressure is almost over, we click on the positive pressure leak. Record the leakage value at this time. Then turn off the positive pressure test switch. Turn on the vacuum test switch. This is the internal vacuum pump. Then start the negative pressure test. Switch to output negative pressure. Let's test it now. Negative pressure opening pressure. Again, you can clearly hear the valve jump. Let's turn it down a little bit. This negative pressure test switch. What about the pressure value? Then record it at this time. It is the maximum negative pressure opening pressure. And then we move on. Turn down the pressure. Close to 85% of opening pressure. Don't forget to change the order of the 2 pipes. Turn off the negative pressure test switch. Turn off the vacuum switch. So that's the first 0 degrees. The direction is tested. In the same way we measure the 90 degree direction, 180 degree direction. After all tests are completed, click End of experiment. Save experimental data. Then in the experimental record, you can find this result. This is the content of the experiment. The measured results are also available here.